We have another property for sale, still 8,000 square meters, and located in Balilihan, Bohol, guys. Flat terrain, several coconut trees, ideal for residential. Along Barangay Road ni guys. Barangay Road yun. Okay, few minutes drive from National Highway and approximately 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and 40 or 50 minutes drive from Panglao International Airport and White Sand Beaches. So mao gini siya guys. Water, electricity, signal are available. So nindot kayo. So very nice property. So few minutes drive from National Highway ra gyud. And this is Barangay Road, along Barangay Road. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Tabangan mo na mo pamaligya sa inyong property. Okay? Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.